Hi everyone, Michelle McCarthy here. Welcome to my channel. I love to make videos about homeschooling and health and fitness so I can encourage moms in their homeschooling journey and in their health and fitness journey. So if you want to see more videos about homeschooling and health and fitness, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. So what I want to do today, I just wanted to come in here quick and just give you a quick review of the spelling curriculum that we use for the 2016-2017 school year. I know the summer is the time when homeschool moms are getting ready to get their plans going and get their curriculums ready. So I just want to give you guys a quick review of Spelling You See. This is a spelling curriculum we used last school year, and I want to talk to you guys what I like, what we didn't like, and what we're going to be doing this school year. So if you're interested in finding out more, please stay tuned. Hey everyone, so let's get started. So the curriculum that we used for spelling for the 2016-2017 school year was Spelling You See. It's a curriculum from Dem Learning, the same company that puts out Math You See. Okay, so one of the reasons why I love this spelling curriculum is because there is no spelling list, there's no time test. This curriculum teaches kids spelling in a natural way, the way the student learns. Okay, there's a lot of through every lesson there's a lot of speaking, listening, reading, writing. Okay, and through doing all these activities, the kids develop a long-term visual memory to learn the words. Okay, so by copying the passages, by having the passages dictating to them and they have to write it out, they start developing a long-term visual memory that when they see those words again, they're going to remember them how to spell them. Okay, very different from when you just give your kids 10 words to learn and they just have to memorize the words, and sometimes they don't understand what the words mean and they still have to use them in sentences. That's one of the things that they do a lot in schools. And of course I don't want to recreate school at home, so this is why I decided to try something a little bit different. Okay, because I believe the learning spelling like a list of words once a week and having a test is at the end of the week is not a very effective way to teach spelling. And this is why this curriculum, it is very effective and it's a good curriculum to teach your child how to spell. So when you buy the curriculum from Dem Learning, it comes with 2 workbooks. Okay, I only have one right now. I don't know what happened to the other one, but it comes with 2 workbooks. It comes with the instructor's handbook. Okay, and it tells you exactly how to do the curriculum. It talks about the different stages of learning spelling, and it has an explanation of each one, so you can read the different stages of spelling, so you can figure out what stage of learning your child is at. Stage of spelling. And it comes with some color pencils, and I'm going to detail why you need the color pencils. Okay, so let's start with the handbook really quick. Like I was telling you, the handbook comes with one of the first things that you find in here are the different stages of spelling, and you can go ahead and you read through them and you can figure out what stage of learning your child is at. So it will help you decide what level you need. One of the things that I like about this curriculum, it doesn't have a grade level. It's more what stage of spelling your child is at, and that's the workbook that you are going to get. Okay, so it has level from A all the way to G. Okay, and it has a description of all the levels. You read the description and you figure out what level. We were in Americana. Also, it comes in here with how to do each lesson, so it gives you specific instructions on how to do each of the spelling lessons. Okay, so it starts here where it says instructions for Americana, lesson 1 to 14, and it says lesson 1 and 2 vowel chunks. Okay, so the next thing so it has for all the lessons a little guide for what the different chunks that you're going to be working on that week. It gives you explanations on how to do the copy work and how to do the dictation. Okay, here also there's a section which says frequently asked questions, and in here you have the passages for dictation. You're going to be dictating to your students, and a little answer key to know which of the chunks, to make sure you find the correct chunks in the passage. Okay, and this will make more sense once I show you that workbook. Okay, so that's the teacher's guide. Tells you everything that you need to do. This is all you need, and you use it to make sure your kid was finding the right chunks in the passage, and you can use this for your dictation. Find what level your child is at. So right here. Okay, so this is the spelling workbook. Okay, we did level D Americana, and I loved it because we learned a lot of things about old America. We learned about the Underground Railroad. We learned about the Declaration of Independence, and it was just really good. It was a little bit of history also. That's why one of the reasons that I liked it. So let me show you what a lesson will look like. Okay, and I'm just gonna show you the first lesson of this of the second workbook is 19A. Okay, so each lesson comes with the instructions at the top, the passage that you're gonna read that week, and down here is the chunks or the spelling pattern that you're gonna be looking at that week. So for this week, week 19, we're gonna be looking at vowel chunks. Okay, and it gives you here all the vowel chunks that you are going to be finding in the passage. And you can see that the box is yellow. So that means that the only thing that we're going to be looking at this week is a vowel chunks, and we are going to be using the yellow pencil. Okay, so the first thing we do, I read the story. I read the story to my daughter. I read it one time. The second time we read it together. And then the third time, she went ahead and she looked at the vowel font, try to find the vowel chunks. Okay, I will when we kind of mid-year and when she was more comfortable doing this, I will let her find them on her own first, and then we went ahead and we went back and we looked at the ones that she didn't find or that she missed. So that's what you do for the first part of the lesson. You read it, and then you find the vowel chunks or consonant chunks, and you circle them in the passage. The next thing is copy work. You copy the passage on the next page. Okay, so you come here and you copy the passage. It is written up here. She just has to copy the line underneath, and then she does the same thing. After she copies it, she finds all the vowel chunks in the copy work, and then she colors them. Okay, or circles them. And then for the next day, you do the same thing. You read, you follow the same you read it with your student, reads it with you, and then you find the vowel chunks. You circle them, and then you do the copy work. It seems like we didn't do the copy work here in the second lesson. And then for the fourth day is when you do your dictation. You follow the same, seems like we didn't finish this lesson, but you follow the same. You read the story, you read it together, you find the chunks and you circle them, and then you do a dictation. This part, she's not looking at the passage, you are dictating the passage to her, and you can help with punctuation, but not with spelling, because you want to see how many of the words she spells correctly. Okay, actually they're really good with this. I really enjoyed it. So that's the lesson. That is it. Sometimes we got through one dictation a week. Sometimes we got through 2 dictations, and I really like this because like I said, it was important. It was good to read the stories. They were really instructional and educational, but it was good because we were not just memorizing words every single week. We were copying good passages, and we're and then dictating. So it was helpful. Okay, I really liked it, but we are not going to be using this next school year. We are going to be using the arrow guides from Brave Writer for our copy work. Okay, it's not that we didn't like it, but we decided to adopt the Brave Writer lifestyles to our home. So we decided, okay, she's a good speller. She doesn't need a specific spelling curriculum. She's gonna be going to 6th grade. So I feel that just doing the copy work that come with the arrow guides for Brave Writer, that will be just plenty. And I will talk to you guys more about this week. I'm gonna be doing a video about copy work and how we're going to be using it in our school year, for our next school year. So stay tuned for that video. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. I know I'm just kind of rambled a little bit. I just want to show you what, you know, how this curriculum went and how we liked it. It was really good. If we weren't doing Brave Writer, we'd probably be, you know, be doing this again. But like I said, my daughter's a good speller, so I don't feel she needs a specific spelling in like a separate, you know, spelling curriculum. I think, you know, the copy work and the dictation that comes with the arrow guides with Brave Writer, that's gonna help her with her just, you know, to continue improving her spelling and her grammar. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my page, like it, comment if you have any questions, and if you're using the curriculum, let me know. Yeah, I will put a link below where to get it. Like I said, we liked it, but we decided to go with something else, you know, for next year, not because we didn't like it. It's because I think it was time to move on, and we are trying some different things. So again, my name is Michelle McCarthy, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.